Okay, so here we have the start of our Mark 6 transit recovery build. There's going to be a feck all happening today aside the flu. So what I'm going to start off by doing is all these mountain holes. I'm just going to make the flat plate, just get it cut out and drilled for the 6 each side here. That's 12 of them, and these two here, this here is going to have one piece coming down. I'll have it welded, another piece coming down. It's going to go down to about here, I'd say. So when the beaver tail, the angle comes off it, I want to put a 2-inch box down to come out and meet the end to make a triangle brace. So I'm just get started, and the frame of the body should take shape fairly fast. It's just the little bits of the end that will take a week probably compared to 2 days of fabrication of the skeleton of it. We have everything bought and paid for here though, so it should go quick enough except for the ramps. We'll see how we get on with that. Alright, so he's going to crack on here. Fucking camera wheel on. I'll find a place to put this. I'll be cutting, this is 6-inch 6mm flat. I'm just cutting into 2.5-inch strips, and that'll do as my look at that. I'm going to keep it away because I'm going to be cutting with the plasma cutter. As far away as I'm just using this angle or box section as a guide. It's going to be 2 inches behind the cab at either end. That's just why that's there. So the body will start here. It's going to be tilted up as a small angle. It was going to be 1.5 foot, bring it up about here and back, but I was looking at a couple other local guys here with transits. They have them flats and they seem okay, so I'm just going to tilt it up a small bit, about 5 inches, half a foot off the bed, just so if I'm on a flat somewhere, the car will roll off with a flat tire and it reduces the angle at the end here. So let's start again. Now try and get it cut here. Staying back and going the line because the guide of this puts up against it. Roughly it. Doesn't have to be dead on for this because I need a little bit extra on all of them. I hope I don't fuck up that camera. Okay, when you get to the end of the cut, tilt it like that, so the cut cuts the bottom and you pull it out. That makes sense. Learned that on YouTube. Use every 2.5 inches. Only 12 of these first ones. I've done here, cut out 12 of these, turn up and down here, this end pieces. I've just cut them, they're too hot yet. It's going to be a bit longer. There'll be another flat piece down that way welded on. What I'm doing here now is just marking these holes out. Just welding some of them. I'm going to drill a pilot hole into them too, and then I'm going to use that pilot hole to mark them all. Something along that lines. See how it goes, I'll make it up. Alright, all these drilled out. Put a little bevel in them, just take the burr off them, and it'll make it a bit easier to paint when it paints. It's less likely to rust on the edge. They all have to be ground down yet, I'm just waiting to fit them. I have this, an extra bit. I have another one coming down here. What I'm going to do at the moment now is just weld across here. Same that side. Leave it bolted and let it cool overnight. Hopefully it'll hold its shape. Okay till the end. Might weld the inside of that as well. Have loads of room in there. Take it off. Let's see. It's gonna be all for today now, I think. Good enough. Time for beer.